Hello everyone, my name is Ernie. Today I'm gonna show you how to get land cover map from MODIS datasets. In my YouTube channel previously, you can find how to make a land cover by using Landsat 8 and Landsat 5 with the classifications. But here's we will get the land cover by that modis is already provided. So we just use the from the modis. So first you should go to this platform and login. After login, you go to the code editor. Okay, in this code editor, you can write your code. If you're familiar with the JavaScript, you can use JavaScript. But if you're familiar with Python, you can use a Python's language. So first, we should define your ROI. Today, I will use my ROI from my country, Indonesia. Here, I will use this rectangle to draw my ROI and make a variable. For example, ROI is similar with this geometry. And after that, just add to the layer ROI and make it a center object ROI with zoom, for example, 10. Run it. So in this windows, you will find or you will see your ROI. And after that, just find the dataset for MODIS, write land cover MODIS. So we will use these datasets. MODIS type yearly global 500 meters spatial resolutions. Okay. So the spatial resolution of this dataset is 500 and it's available from 2001 until 2023. So if you want to do the monitoring in a long time or 20 years, you can use these data sets. So if you want to know the detail about the data set, you can go to description menu and write about this data set. In the band menu, you will find the band name here and every type of band there is for LC type 1 there is 17 class and LC type 2 only 15 class and you can read detail here, but today I will use for LC type 1 with the annual International Biosphere Program or IGBV classification. So this classification is from IGBV product. So just go here. If you don't know how to write the code, you just go to down and copy this code and just go here. But today, let's make a variable, for example, modis here, and copy the snippet and select the band name. I will use this band and dot mojo. And for the visualizations, we will use these all colors. Here's the palette, every class from class 1 until 17th. And I will add to the layer with these visualizations and give name MODIS land cover and run it. So here you will see the land cover map. So blue is for the water body and green is forest, and this area is for the build up area or urban area. If you want to compare it, just make like this. Okay, you can see that this area is urban area and this area is forest area, and blue colors is a lake here. And after that, just if you want to know the area in every class, just make a new variable here, variable modis area, and get the pixel area and divide it with 10 the power of 6 and advance is modis, and print it as a chart. So get the modis area and give the name is LC type 1, and the geometry is ROI, and the reducer is use the sum. And this one is for scale that we can see here. The scale of this data set is 5 meters, and run it. Here in the console you will see the chart of the area in every class. Here's for the number 2, a value class number 2, we will get the 766 kilometers, and you can see here in every class. So that's the tutorial from me today, how to get the land cover map from MODIS and how to get the area from every class in this MODIS datasets. I hope this tutorial can help you in your case, in your study area, and see you.